Did you say something, new girl? We should have been here an hour ago.
I know, Wayne. Just give me a minute, okay?
Well, sorry I missed all the fun.
Stop it. It wasn't even fun. People just wouldn't leave. We didn't get out of here until like 4 a.m.
You know, Tracy, you don't have to drink with the customers. Did Paula even show up?
I think Mitch said she's out of town for the summer. Ugh. I will never do that many shots again. Never.
Yeah, we heard that one before. Now, say hi to the new girl.
Hey, new girl. I'm Traci. Welcome.
It's Janice.
Great. So they got you on takedown duty?
Yeah. Still don't know why I'm just stacking boxes here, though.
Oh, Mitch doesn't like us to go down to the fridge. He keeps that shit locked up tight.
I think he thinks we'll trip down the stairs or something. Like we don't know how to carry boxes and walk at the same time. What's up with him lately? He's been acting kinda squirrely.
Hell if I know. Mitch probably just being Mitch. What's up with the lights?
I don't know. They've been doing that all morning.
Weird. Ugh. No, I will not puke. Mm-mm.
How about a little hair of the dog?
Don't even talk to me about alcohol right now.
Yeah? How about a little music to help wake you up?
May, don't you dare. Not funny, May. My
I
head
think I
is...
just saw Paula.
Mitch said she's gone for the summer.
No, I just saw her. Like, right next to me, just a second ago.
What the hell are you talking about? Can you just, like, not?
I'm serious. I just...
Shit! What was that?
We all saw that, right? Paula is a ghost.
Don't say it.
That's Paula? She seems fun.
No fucking way.
She wants us to.
I do not get paid enough to go down there. Fuck.
Deadbolt's broken. Don't let the door close.
I do not need to see any of this right now. Oh God. I think I'm gonna be sick. Fuck this. I'm going home and calling in sick. Don't even tell Mitch I was here, okay?
Grab her legs.
What? Are you kidding me?
We can't just leave her here. Help me get her upstairs.
I need to go home. I'm going home. Where's the new girl?
I don't know, probably home. We gotta call the police.
Can we just call them from home?
I'm calling them now.
911, what's your emergency?
Let's not do that.
So, boss is here.
How do you get in the cooler?
What happened with Paula?
Things got away from me. Not my fault, not my fault. I never meant for it to happen. You never should have gone down there.
Let's just talk about this, Mitch. Why don't you put the gun down? We're all reasonable people, right, Traci?
Very reasonable.
Right, new girl?
You know I have a name.
It was an accident. She was hurt. Not my fault. Not my fault. She knows the rules. I shouldn't have waited. Damn it, I shouldn't have waited. I didn't know the cooler was airtight. I meant to fix the latch. It was on my list. Oh, damn it, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. It's not my fault. There's so many responsibilities. You understand. It's your fault. It's not mine. You never should have gone down there. Things got away from me before. Can't let that happen again.
It's locked.
What, no one has a key?
I think I left my keys in the bar.
This way!
Please, Mitch, you've always been a good boss.
Oh, great boss. The best.
You know us. We've worked for you for years. And you're a decent dude. We're friends. Please, you don't need to do this.
You think I want to? Why'd you go down there? You should have minded your own business like what I told you.
Mitch, look at her. She needs a doctor. You don't want another death on your conscience.
You don't know how hard it is to be in charge. So many people depending on me. You don't know there is so much crap to deal with. I've got so much to deal with, and now decisions have to be made. I can't let this get away. I'm sorry, but I can't let this get away. Paula!
It's your fault. Your fault. Your fault!
Ah!
It's your fault! Oh my God, Paula?
Hey, you gotta get the girl with the gunshot wound to the paramedics.
Sorry, Janice.
How are we gonna explain all this?
The truth. We found Paula locked in a basement. Apparently Mitch put her there. He tried to kill us. Shot Janice.
True story.
Paula took him down with a kitchen knife. He shot her. And yeah.
Thank you, Paula.
Why did I have to be hungover today of all days?
Oh shit.
What now, May?
You know, I don't think we're gonna get paid today.
This job sucks.
Are you doing okay?
Ambulance is here, so that's good. Think I'll get workers' comp?
You know, if you can't get it from your boss shooting you, there's no justice in this world.
That means yes.
That is a silver lining. Stop. No laughing.
Hey, May, you gotta go let them in.
Oh yeah. Damn, where are my keys?
Oh, please find them. I really am in pain.